back to Sharmone's Kitchen. Today we will be making a special dish called Korean seafood pancake. That's right, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with some ingredients. So what we have is 2 cups of Korean pancake mix. Not your normal pancake mix. You actually have
to go to the Korean store and purchase their pancake mix. So
I have
a half a pound of crab meat. So have 12 divined already, tail off, clean jumbo shrimp. I'm going to incorporate with it. And I also have green onions. I chopped up about 8 to 10 green onions and just the green part of the green onions. And here is the bag of the Korean pancake mix that you can purchase at one of the Korean stores, or they may sell it on one of your local grocery aisles. You just have to check and ask around, but this is what they use to make the pancake, okay? And then I'm also going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a teaspoon of salt.
Okay? And to do that, to cook this pancake, you have to cook it in olive oil on a pan. You'll have to fry it on a pan to make it that pancake. Some people like it flat, thick, but today we're going to make it kind of medium, okay? So what I'm going to do, I already chopped up the crab meat. I'm going to go ahead and chop up the extra large shrimp, chop those up in half. Okay, I'm going to incorporate the water, the seasonings, and then also I'm going to incorporate the onions. Okay, and that's going to be some good flavor for y'all. Also going to use that 2 cups of water. While I'm mixing that up, that takes about a 15-minute prep, 10 to 15-minute prep. I put my canola oil on my pan so that it can be hot while I mix this up. So when I do put the pancake mix onto my pan, it will start frying.
It's already mixed. So I'm just going to take that and start making pancakes. Small, large, a big one, whatever works for you, that's what you can do. Make as many as you can with your mixing.
Let the pancake cook for about 8 to 9 minutes on one side to make sure that it's done, because I like mine to be well done, and you will go ahead and flip it, okay? And so what I'm going to do is also let this
cook to about 8 to 9 minutes because I got my shrimp incorporated. And we're going to smash it like that. And we're going to let the pancake.
So now that the Korean pancakes have cooked on both sides, like I said, from 8 to 9 minutes, according to your liking, and then you get them crispy, or you can keep them kind of a little moist for getting them crispy. That's the way I like them. So the shrimp can cook and the onions can also cook and be like grilled all together. Awesome. I end up learning this dish from my ex-neighbor. We used to always have our potluck with our heritage where I would come and bring my dishes and then they would bring theirs. And this is one of the dishes that she used to cook and one of my favorites. So I learned how to cook it myself.
Look at that. So, one of the ways I like to eat the Korean seafood pancakes is with soy sauce. So I like to also incorporate my soy sauce with the pancakes.
I don't pour it over because the salt taste will overpower the pancake, so you just take it into